Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and network access so you don't stall later. Plug the TV in and make sure it's on the same Wi-Fi as your phone, if you must temporarily share a hotspot. Install the maker's remote app or a universal IR/Wi-Fi remote on your phone. Once done, open TV settings, navigate to network or remote control, and enable Wi-Fi direct or network remote so the TV will accept commands from apps and paired devices. You now pair and map controls so navigation becomes fluid. Open the app and let it scan. Accept the pairing code shown on the TV or enter the PIN. If the TV lacks network control, use your phone's IR blaster or plug in an affordable USB or Bluetooth adapter to emulate a remote. Once paired, assign or memorize home, back, directional pad, and select. This makes menu navigation and app launching fast. Make sure to test input switching and volume control right away. You finish by securing a reliable fallback and verifying stability. Test every function: app launching, streaming playback, input switching, and volume. If something stops responding, reboot the TV and phone, then try pairing again. Make sure the router isn't blocking device discovery. If pairing repeatedly fails, use a cheap Bluetooth or universal infrared remote as backup. Only perform a factory reset when other options fail. Write down account logins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.